Hi, this is Mr. Mully here. I've created this video just to help parents be able to use Google Classrooms and to support the children with Google Classrooms as well. Everyone's been given their login and how to get onto Google Classrooms, but I will create this video which will be put on the school YouTube channel and the school website to help with any questions for you with Google Classrooms. So the first thing we need to do is go onto RM Unify. So if you go into Google, type in RM Unify. And it's normally the very first one that's up here. So if you go into RM Unify, sign in, you have your username or email address. Now, mine's already saved there, but I will type in what it needs to be. So all the children have been given this email and username. So if I type mine in, so I put my one in, and it's at saint-joebarkin.lbbdschool.org.uk. I'll put my password in. And you can click remember me to help you, or press save here. Do that. So then when I go onto here, this is my screen, but if I was a pupil screen, the only ones I can see are the Google Classroom and the Google Drive. Click onto Google Classroom, and when it loads up, or it might say you just need to confirm, so I'll just confirm that this is me. But when it loads up, it'll have your class, which will be Oak for me, but obviously your teacher will see different classes. And you can see all the assignments that have been set, but it will be specific just for your children. So all they need to do is then click on those assignments and they can click up the homework. I hope that helps. If you do have any questions, please email the year group email. If you're not sure about the year group email, just email the school office and they will forward it on. Hope it all works out. Thank you. Bye.